Hi there! This complete small straw feed pellet production line covers 6 processing sections: crushing, grinding, mixing, pelleting, cooling, and packaging. It can process coarse fiber raw materials like corn straw, sorghum straw, and peanut vines, which are rich in nutrients, and mix them with fine concentrated feed to produce nutritionally balanced animal feed pellets. Hammer mills with wear-resistant blades fully ground rough stalks. Mixers thoroughly blend ground roughage with fine concentrated powder. Flat die pellet mills with auto-lubrication make well-shaped pellets. The finished pellets boast high density and uniform size. They produce little dust during feeding, are easy to stockpile and transport, and greatly cut feed waste. Counterflow cooling and screening units draw air via external induced fans, cool hot pellets during falling, then sift out fines with bottom vibrating screens before packing. The whole set of machines operates automatically with simple operation, stable performance, and low failure rate, perfectly matching small and medium-sized pellet plants. We provide multiple models with different hourly outputs for your selection. Welcome to inquire for detailed specifications and factory quotations.